What is Chat GPT? Chat GPT is a variant of the GPT language model that has been specifically designed for chatbot applications. It was developed by OpenAI, a research organization that focuses on creating and advancing artificial intelligence technology. GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. In case you've been living under a rock, AI is all the rage right now and has made some breakthrough advancements in the last few months. Chat GPT alone broke records as the fastest platform to reach 1 million users in just 5 days. By comparison, Netflix took 5 months and Instagram 2.5 months respectively to reach 1 million users. Massive difference there. The GPT model is a transformer-based language model that has been trained on a large data set of text and can generate human-like text in a variety of languages. GPT models can be used for a variety of tasks, including language translation, language summarization, and language generation. OpenAI's Chat GPT is an extension of the GP model that has been fine-tuned for the task of chatbot conversation. Chat GPT can be used for free. It uses artificial intelligence to generate responses to user input in a conversational style and can even handle tasks like maintaining context and engaging in back and forth conversation. Now, GPT models do also raise ethical concerns about the potential for these models to be used for malicious purposes, such as spreading disinformation or impersonating individuals online. ChatGPT, however, has built-in mechanisms to reject giving responses to certain malicious prompts and thus helps combat misuse. ChatGPT is a powerful artificial intelligence tool for building chatbots that engage in natural, human-like conversation with users. It can be used in a variety of applications, including customer service chatbots, virtual assistants, online education, social media, and more. You can use ChatGPT to write an original blog, post, or story using AI. You can then interact with it to make your story iteratively adapt, change, or improve. So how to use ChatGPT? Well, for example, to use ChatGPT to write a story, you will need to have access to the ChatGPT model and a way to interact with it. Here are the general steps you can follow to use ChatGPT to write a story. First, gather some prompts or ideas for the story you want to write. These could be themes, characters, settings, or other elements that you want to include in your story. Second, load the ChatGPT model and set up your interaction environment. Check out this video here to learn how to actually set up and use ChatGPT. Thirdly, begin interacting with the ChatGPT model to generate text. You can do this by providing the model with a prompt or idea for your story, and then asking it to generate text based on that prompt. You can then continue to feed the model new prompts or ideas as you go, and it will generate text based on the context and information that you've provided so far. For example, you can ask it to rewrite that story in the style of, say, Shakespeare, J.K. Rowling, or Stephen King. The next step, as you continue to interact with the ChatGPT model, it will generate text that you can build to use your story. You can edit and revise the text as needed to shape it into the story that you want to tell. Keep in mind that ChatGPT is a language model and it is not specifically designed to write stories. As such, you may need to be creative in how you use it to generate text for your story, and you will likely need to do some editing and refining of the text that it generates. However, with a bit of experimentation and patience, you should be able to use ChatGPT to generate text that you can use as the basis for a story. GPT models are a powerful tool for natural language processing and have the potential to revolutionize the way that we interact with computers and other machines. ChatGPT is at the forefront of this technology and is right at our fingertips. Watch this video next to learn how to install and use ChatGPT. It's super easy to set up and only takes a few minutes, and you can use it in just a web browser, unlimited and for free. So click that and I'll see you there.